So I've got this CCTV camera. It's a 2K dual systems, meaning it has two cameras. It has 360 tilt and pan as well. It has a color, night vision, and much more features. So let's unbox it and check it out. Okay, now let's see what's inside the box. There we go. We have a manual right here. We have a plug because this one needs to be plugged in, but it does have Wi-Fi, so you can connect it via Wi-Fi, but you do need to plug it in for power. And this is the camera or cameras. You have this fixed one on top. You can see lights here as well. Then you have this one that moves 360 and up and down as well, as you can see. We have this Wi-Fi antennas right here, and it also has a speaker, as you can see right here. And then you can add here on the bottom a card. You have the reset button right here, and this is the cable to connect to it. You can also connect it to internet via this cable, but you can also have it connected via Wi-Fi. And in the box you also have these screws to mount it. So this, as you can see, is two cameras in one. So you have 2K dual view, and this is a fixed lens, and then you have this that rotates 360 and I believe it's 90 degrees, and you can follow moving objects. And with this one you can see this, you have the static view, and then you can trace the objects with this one. Also, like I said, this they both record at the same time, so you'll have both views at the same time. So these two deliver 2K Ultra HD footage, and they also have 3 night vision options: infrared, full color, and smart adaptive mode. So this can switch between both modes. It's like really simple and easy to use. It has built-in Bluetooth, and you can communicate with your phone and Wi-Fi camera. It has a speaker as well, and it comes with Wi-Fi 6 built-in, and it supports 2.4 and 5G connectivity, dual band, the 2.4 or 5G Wi-Fi connectivity. Now, because I don't have a plug, because this one needs a plug, and I don't have a plug near where I can install it, I will plug it in and show you the functionality here, and then I will show you how to install it outside. So I'll just plug it in here. As I showed you, you can also connect it to the internet via cable, but you can also connect it via Wi-Fi. There we go, we see a light on, and then as you can see, it starts its checks.
Please configure the network.
So it wants me to configure the network. I'll just install the app first. So you will need to download this app. It's called ESEE Cloud. So just App Store download right here. So after you install the app, you'll need to make an account, and then you need to approve the use of Bluetooth, so you can detect the Bluetooth device, which is this one right here. Right, let's try this again.
A device to be added has been found. Please click the add button to add the device.
It will actually tell you exactly what to do. So if you press add a device, then you need to add your password from your Wi-Fi. Then, as you can see here, it's gonna connect the device.
The wireless connection is successful.
Connection is successful. Yeah, you need to allow the microphone if you want to talk with the device, and then you need to agree with this and then put a name on the device. Also here you can see if you want motion detection alert and the app push alert messages, you need to give permission. If not, you can stop the permission, and now you can see the live feed right here. You have the signal strength. Then you can invite another member of the family to use it. I'm gonna skip it for now. Now we can access the device. So let's check this out. You can see both cameras right here, and then we can move one around. As you can see, the second one is on top right here, and we can move it around. But when it's mounted, like, one of them is gonna stay in place. And as you can see, the quality is really good. Up and down right here, and on the sides. And then I will actually turn the lights off so you can see how it looks with the lights off. See, right now we have the infrared on, and we can see the infrared right here, and we can actually turn these lights on so we have colored view. Confirm, and then we can hear hello. So this is from the microphone. What you will hear if we press this button, and then you can press the microphone button. Hello. 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 So there you have it. That's how it looks. Now I'll go and install it, and I'll show you how to install it. You'll just need this bag with the screws right here. And if you mount it on a wall that needs drilling, you'll need this. And if you mount it on a surface like wood, you'll just need these screws. So I'll show you how to mount it. It's very easy. You just need a screwdriver or a drill, so you can mount it right there. Just you put the screws, and it's very fast and easy. I'll show you right now. It is raining a bit, but yeah, it's easy. It's a bit hard to put the first screw, but then it's easy to install, and then it's done. 2 minutes, it's done.